Hello everyone. Good morning guys. Good afternoon. How are you guys doing today? Is everyone all right? I hope so, yeah. So, of course, we are ready to start. Today is Monday, first trading day of the week. And we want to believe that market will reveal some good opportunities. So we have something to trade, right? So we can start with the Australian dollar against the US dollar. On the daily chart, I think we are missing the drawing tool. Just 1 second, please. Here it is. So on the daily chart, guys, price started moving upwards during the Asian session, continue, of course. It started from Sydney session, continued to the Asian session. And here it's an inside weekly resistance. So here is the thing. Inside weekly resistance is the market, is the price, or will the price break above it or not? We can't know that for sure, but the only information we can extract is if we drill down to the lower time frames and check what is happening in terms of price action. So in terms of price action, if the price will kind of false break or print a bearish reversal, might be gonna push to the downside for a little bit and it's gonna reverse. But if it's gonna move upwards and push to the upside, then we do expect the price to test this region up here, okay? And it's a region that we will be interested to take some short positions. Now, let's see the Euro US dollar. That's the 4-hour time frame. We had this area of resistance up here with this bearish engulfing. It's got filled. If you are trading smart money concept or block trading, I mainly trade bearish engulfings and the block bearish engulfing. So price filled up these orders, this gap, moved to the upside. Now it's approaching this area of resistance. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm not in any rush to short it now, but definitely at this point here there is a lot of resistance. And if you check on the left hand side, this bearish engulfing created an impulse move to the downside. This bearish engulfing also contributed. This bearish engulfing also contributes. So at this point here, at this region here, there is a high chance, if the market taps into this area, to get rejected and move to the downside. Now, let me give you a tip here, guys. If you see the price move upwards here and it's going to come with long yellow candles, long bullish candles, then it will be much better to short from this area, from this 4-hour bearish engulfing block, because the high chances is that the market will retrace backwards to fill up some unmitigated orders. Do you guys understand this? So we do expect more push to the upside, and as we said, we don't look to sell right here, but we're going to look to buy towards this region there. Okay. Sterling, or pound US dollar. Another one, we are looking mainly for some bullish opportunities. The price is diving into this area of resistance now. If we go down to the hourly time frame, you can see that there is a bearish engulfing block sitting here. This one. Expected the price to move upwards. Yeah. Tap into this area here and see what's going to happen. So for today, maybe we're going to look for more bullish opportunities on the Great British Pound dollar. Guys, any currency pairs you're more interested? This one here, Canadian dollar. We were talking on the other day that yeah, the market definitely it's gonna come somewhere to fill up all these unmitigated areas, and some people they call it fair value gap. I don't know. There are many terminologies out there. The only thing that it's for sure is that we identify imbalance between the market participants, and market participants are only buyers and sellers. So there is the buying pressure overcome the selling pressure, and the market moves upwards. And at some point, market will retrace to fill up all these gaps before it continue moving upwards. I'm talking about orders gaps and not price gaps that we see on the chart due to lack of liquidity. Okay, that's two different things. Now, at this point, guys, I will be looking to get long within these regions here. If the price is going to come here, I'll be interested to buy. So you can mark it on your charts. That's the hourly time frame. If you go down to the 4-hour chart, you will understand very much why, because let me show you this point here, this bullish engulfing created this impulse move, and the price also stopped at this point here, and it start everything from down there. So it looks like this is a well productive area, and if the market is going to come here, maybe we're going to see some push to the upside. Now, because when you trade engulfing blocks areas, you must understand that this all empty spots at some point they're going to get filled. So if the market is going to jump into this area, then most likely it's going to bounce upwards, and it's going to come to fuel up these orders before it continue moving lower. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that, guys. For those who are really interested, soon on my Telegram channel, on our Telegram channel under MarketMindsMastery, we will start putting all these live orders. So if you are not yet subscribed, just ensure that you want to subscribe, because later I will keep it as a more private group. So better join now. If you want, the name is MarketMindsMastery. I can send you the link shortly. So, next one. Vic said every day waiting that long. Okay, nice. So this is one pair that it worth our attention. USD Swissy. Another area I'm looking on the USD Swissy, that's the 4-hour time frame, is to grab some long positions around here. Let's use some Fibonacci tool. So 61, 50% is here, 61.8 is there. Now, if the move started from this point here, it has the 61.8 there. I'm not that interested with this one. So for sure, I will be looking to get involved down here if the price will move all the way here. Of course, it's not going to go in one way. Maybe it's going to go like this. Maybe it's going to go like that. Oh, we don't know how it's going to go. Next one, USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen, guys, price is in an uptrend. There is, in my opinion, there is more room for the price to move upwards. So we are still trading within this bullish candle high and low, the boundaries of this bullish candle. So 1, 2, 3, that's the fourth one that hasn't break yet the upside or the downside limits of this candle. If we drill down to the 4-hour time frame, market created this move to the upside, the impulsive move. It retraced back and it pushed upwards, but it failed to move higher with this bearish engulfing here. Now, if the price will come backwards, and I have some areas that I would like to watch down here. So I'm looking to create few buying positions with different stop losses, but once it's a bit away, it's far away for now, so we want to wait, see what's going to happen. Pound JPY on the daily chart, nothing pretty much here. Euro JPY around this area of resistance. Let's see the hourly time frame. Created this bearish engulfing here. For our price touched at this weekly resistance here, guys, but it didn't move lower, and that's the issue with this one. We want to see price at resistance to melt down. Okay, like, let me show you a trade. Let me show you a trade that reveals this one. I think it was the one I traded on Canadian dollar, Euro Canadian dollar. Last week I took this trade here, and let me see, I think I have it easier here. Oh, which one? EuroCAD was this one here, guys. So just 1 second. Ah, trade history. Okay, anyway. Okay, here it's better. So at this area here, the price, look at, we enter short there and we close it down here. It was 2-1. Okay, just keep this in mind, because I would like to show you why that was a good trade, worth holding that trade. I will go back to, that's the broker's platform. I'll go back to the Tradingview platform. So on the Tradingview platform, we had this resistance coming from the weekly charts. So at this point here, the market didn't break aggressively to the upside. So the first candle here shows that the sellers are trying to control this market, and it started moving lower. The next two candles followed through. They were bearish candles. So we stick on the trade. Okay, when the price touch the resistance, you want to see the market to react instantly. You don't want to sit there and waiting. If the market after 5 candles will react, that's too late. Price touch the resistance, it has to be like a spring and to move to the opposite direction. Okay, I spotted some weakness on the euro Australian dollar and pound Australian dollar on the higher time frame, so let's walk through. On the weekly chart, the euro Australian dollar has this bearish engulfing here. Same with the the pound Australian dollar. So on the pound here on the daily chart, the price falls break this area and it moved lower. So we want to see a break below this support and then price to come and retest this support here. Okay. On the hourly time frame, it's not that I see something very interesting right now. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, much weakness. We had this area here. We were looking to get involved on the hourly time frame. The price created this bearish reversal candle, and that was the beginning of the move. Okay. New Zealand Swissy. I was looking to get involved with this one as well, but I didn't. I was looking to get involved at this point here on the hourly time frame, but for a reason I wasn't present to take to place the orders. Now the market penetrate, move beyond this one. It comes all the way. That's not valid anymore. So the next area of resistance, it's going to be this monthly level here around 0.5439. If you go on the 4-hour chart, multiple rejections around this area. So let's see what's going to happen. We want the price to break above this one, to be honest, to tap into this area of resistance and to go short from that point onwards here. Gold gradually moves higher, but we expect to see some kind of weakness on the gold market. So at this point, maybe the gold will move lower. Let's see what's going to happen with this one here. Bitcoin on the rally, Ethereum on the rally, new high here. So we are almost at $3,000 on the Ethereum. Solana started with a bullish engulfing. If it's going to stay like a bullish engulfing, we will find it out at the end of the day. Okay. Guys, pretty much that's all for today. And for the London Open, the DAX daily chart, this reversal here, the shooting star reversal here, maybe can force the market to move lower. Let's see what's going to happen. I don't see anything screaming out right now. Maybe a break below this level can push the price lower. Let's keep an eye on this one, and we'll be back again tomorrow with more market analysis here, MarketMindsMastery, like every day. So I hope that everyone will have a great day ahead, guys. Enjoy your day and happy trading, of course. And if you haven't been on the Telegram channel, please subscribe. Let me send you the link The link is this one here. Okay, you can join the Telegram channel, guys. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow again at the same time. Thank you, everyone.